Okay, so this is the current challenge I've set myself, and that is to. Oh, are you going to log in? You should do, maybe. What I want to do is have skill ranks of the sword attack for the warrior. How do I pause this once it loads? Another thing I could do with is when I get to this, some way to stop this happening, getting to the greyed out, the white grey state, some sort of loading bar or something other than that happening, because that just freaks people out. Right, I'm having trouble logging in, so okay, hopefully we're in and it's all working. Love it, love it. Yeah, I fixed the terrain distance, which I'm very happy about. What I'm trying to do is clear up this. I don't want to see any of these. I just want to see the two warrior abilities. So first question is, how do I make sure these things don't show up? I've told them that I want them just to be for mage. Actually, I don't think I've told them for these two, but I definitely did it for some of them. So that'll be my first thing, is how do I make all this stuff only available for mages. So I think I might already have answered that myself if I bring up the manager. Where are you? Yeah, you're just tutorials. Where's the real manager? Here. And that was in the game settings or options or something. Character? No. Combat. Abilities. Right. Skills. Is it skills or an ability? I'll find out then. Right, magic arrow. Ah, okay. So where are you? Well, if it's archery skill, then we're going to make the thief the archer. So that's all well and good. Oh, so we need to go to skill profile, skills. There we are. Oh yeah, edit, archery skill. I'm going to make that rogue only. We'll cover rogues later. So that should cover all the archery skills, hopefully. That's magic arrow. Now, oh, we need to save that. Now, magical staff. Mage, only this thingy. Yes. Save data. We haven't actually changed anything, so it shouldn't really need any save data. So I don't want to be seeing anything to do with the staff on my skill abilities. So skill profiles, combat profile. So I created a spinning sword levels as a profile. It goes up to level 100. We've got a maximum level. Anyway, I thought that would be cool. I'm not quite sure how that. So I made a spinning sword levels to stick into 200 swords as a skill profile. I am kind of, I'm like a half-blind man staggering around in a dimly lit room, really, with what I'm doing here. I can't. It's not like I'm a stupid blind man. but I'm kind of like, at the moment, I have a lot to learn about all these different things. So we've done these skill abilities, and I've said at skill level 2, automatically learn spinning skills sword 2, rank 2, which is basically a duplicate copy of spinning sword. So if I go to, I think it's abilities, I brought up, I wonder if any of these, like critical, magic bolt, I don't want to see that anywhere as a warrior, I just don't want to see it. Magical attack ability, magic staff. See, it's linked to magic staff, so hopefully I can't see it because as a warrior I shouldn't have access to it. But it seems to turn up. Anyway, so I've created a spinning sword rank 2, which looks, there's the same icon as the spinning rank. Uses the same skill, uses everything else. Ability properties. Oh yes, experience gain when the ability is used. So basically, every time you use it in anger, you gain 1 point of skill points, which is very helpful to give some feedback to the player. So then the effect is spinning sword effect rank 2, and spinning slow effect is the secondary effect. But the spinning sword rank effect rank 2, so then we go into effects, the edit effects. There should be a spinning sword effect rank 2, which is a copy of the melee strike. And all I've done is change the damage to 200. That's all I did. So you'd hope it would work, but for some reason it's not really showing up on the skill bar. Maybe we'll go to character setup, human warrior, starting skills, two-handed sword. That's all running good. Why would it's an awful lot of things, but it's not showing me if it affects the skill bar. If I bring back here, like I say, the first question that I'm trying to get rid of is magic arrow and stun arrow, magic bolt and sleeping bolt, and I've tried to make these, that's, you need a staff and that you need a bow, and I've tried to make them for rogue and mage respectively, so they should now want them to disappear off this very limited skill bar. So that's my first problem. So I've shown you what I did, but it doesn't seem to be working at the moment. I'll bring it back. Just to reiterate, in combat I changed skills, edit, archery skill, wonder if I get rid of automatically learn. I don't know if I really want. Hang on a minute, did I say that's rogue? Only this class, save. Right, next skill. Two-handed sword, warrior, only this class. Yep, I've already done that one. And now magic staff, mage, only this class. Save. It's a skill class. Then in skill profiles, I created a combat profile, which is just a spinning sword levels. Then in abilities, I've just edited. So if we go to magic arrow, that's an archery skill. So why is it in the skill bar? I can't see. That should all be taken care of at a higher level. And in that I've created this rank 2 spinning sword, which creates an effect. There's the effect. Spinning sword effect rank 2, so that goes into effects, edit effects. Let's just make sure that's saved. Spinning save data. Alright, and then to the skill profiles. I'm pretty sure that's saved. Skills, magic staff, save data, mage only, archery skill, rogue only. You select an icon there. Get some icons. At least I've got a reason to get some icons. I think I've got some somewhere. So we saved archery skill, 200 swords, spinning rank 2, let's save that. I've done auto learn because I don't know, can't be bothered to deal with trainers, although I should do. That comes later. So that was skills, skill profile, abilities. Again, the only thing I've changed there really is spinning sword rank 2. Save data. Effects. Edit. I have saved all this before, but some of it I may have missed, I don't know. Spinning rank 2, and the big difference there is just the amount of damage it does. Save data. Okay, that's that. Cold effects, stats, damage. I don't think I need any of that. No. Magic power effect. I don't think I need to mess around with that stuff yet. It all gets very complicated. So yes, just to reiterate my question, which is how do I, let's stop and start this again. I'll log out first. But how do I get rid of these things on my bar and just have these two, and then hopefully have different ranks of spinning sword? So I'm going to log out sensibly rather than the quit. I need to change that as well, but I know how to do that. That's log out time. Right, and quit. And end for now.